Britain is approaching a historic demographic turning point. From this year, 2026, the number of people dying in the UK is projected to exceed the number of births, marking a permanent shift in population trends. Now, according to Resolution Foundation, while deaths briefly outnumbered births during the COVID-19 pandemic and again in 2023, the population still grew marginally due to migration. From 2026, any population growth is expected to come entirely from net migration, ending a demographic pattern that has existed for more than a century. The shift now reflects broader trends across Europe and the developed world, as it's still being seen as one point, with falling birth rates and aging populations reshaping long-term growth prospects. Now, the demographic shift sharpens the political debate around migration in Britain. Net migration peaked at nearly 1 million a year after the pandemic, driven by looser visa rules, labour shortages and humanitarian arrivals from Ukraine and Hong Kong. However, migration has since slowed sharply. Prime Minister Keir Starmer has pledged to reduce migration further, even as experts warn that fewer working-age people could strain public services and tax revenues. The issue has gained political urgency, with migration once again emerging as a central electoral issue. Alongside demographic pressures, the Resolution Foundation warns of rising unemployment in 2026. Higher interest rates, energy costs, increased minimum wages and AI adoption are pushing more firms out of business. The closure of low productivity zombie companies could improve long-term productivity, but job losses are expected to be painful in the short term. Business confidence has fallen to a 3-year low, with retail and hospitality among the worst hit. More than half of firms say that they plan to raise prices in the coming months, adding to inflation concerns for the Bank of England. Together, these issues underline the economic challenges facing Britain in the years ahead.